Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking spaghetti seafood marinara. So in a large pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add 1 small onion, 1 small diced onion, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, one tablespoon of garlic paste, and then cook this together for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the garlic and the onion starting to be fragrant. Make sure not to burn the garlic. I'm going to add also some fresh cherry tomatoes from my garden. So this is about 20 cherry tomatoes. So add 20 cherry tomatoes. You can use whatever tomato you've got. If you have got tomato puree or tomato paste, you can use that. If you've got a can of tomato, you can use that. And for the spaghetti, I am just cooking half a packet of spaghetti. Make sure to follow the instructions on the spaghetti pack. While this is cooking, I'm going to squash the tomatoes. Once they start to cook, they're very easy to squash to make the sauce, just like that. So you can just squash one by one. And continue to cook the tomatoes and the sauce mix until tomatoes are nice and soft. So this is cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add black pepper and then chicken seasoning. And also a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. So just for the spices, just add a teaspoon of each spice, a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. And a teaspoon of paprika. You can use as many spices as you like, guys. This is just the ones I'm using today. And then cook through for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is looking good. Now I'm going to add my seafood marinara. I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the seafood. So I'm just gonna mix through and cook with the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the seafood is about 500 grams. So I'm just cooking for 2 people, guys. And now I'm adding fresh parsley and then just mix through. So the chicken seasoning had some salt, so I didn't add any salt. This is looking good. I'm now going to add my pasta and then I'll mix through. Add my spaghetti, and like I said before, guys, I'm using half a packet of spaghetti. Mixing everything through. So to add a little bit of creaminess to my spaghetti, I'm going to add Parmesan cheese, about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Just spread through the Parmesan cheese and then mix. And then mix through. This is such a simple dish to make. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support. Bye.